All right, hey YouTube guys. A lot of people be having questions about how to reset the front brake pads light or the rear brake pad lights. Let me show you how to do it. Hit the push button without starting the car, without hitting the brakes. Just hold it so the lights come on. Okay, so you want to go to the BC button, which is right here, and you click it, click it, click it, click it until you get to the date. Once you do the date, you hit this reset button right here, and you just hold it for a few seconds. Keep holding it. Sub menu gonna come up. Vehicle system check. Let me see if I can get closer. Vehicle system check. Toggle through. Brake pads. Engine oil. Brake fluid. Front brakes. So I said, once you get the front brakes, I already did the reset. Just push and hold this until it says reset possible. Push it and hold it again. It's gonna say, it's gonna ask you, do you want to reset? Then you just push and hold it again, and then boom. There go your reset process. Bang. Brake pad light is gone and it's reset. Thank y'all. Like and subscribe.